Mommy will talk first. Today, we will be having a cookie challenge for our little one, Zane. Let's see how she's gonna react. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, you have to open it at the same time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, open! Ooh! Ate got 1? Din? How many? 2? How about Aya? Wala si Aya. How about you?
Si Aya.
Wow! Wow! Very good, Mim. Have a kiss na to, ate. Good girl. You share 1 for Kuya? Very good. Kiss na ate. Kiss. Aya. So very good. Oh, give 3 to Din because you did a very good job. Very good.